Hey guys, happy Sunday. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen and today I'm going to cook some traditional Sunday morning breakfast. So I'm going to do some kidney with callaloo, green banana. Alright guys, so let's season up the kidney. I'm using some onion powder. And I'm using a lot. You know, when it's cooking kidney, you have to use a lot of seasoning and a lot of pepper. Garlic powder. A whole Scotch bonnet pepper because I want my kidney to spicy, peppery, and nice. I cut up my callaloo from last night as well, so I'm going to jump straight into cooking right now. So this pot is for my kidney. This pot is for the food. Pot for the callaloo as well. Bananas. I have one orange. I have yellow yam, and I have 2 sweet potatoes. So for my kidney, I'll be using some vegetable oil. Just a little. So for the callaloo, I'm going to wash it with some salt. yam. The banana is already in the pot. I'm gonna peel the yam. So I'm gonna put a little ketchup in the kidney, just a little, like that. And I'm also gonna put some butter. Some all-purpose. Black pepper. So yes, guys, it is okay to test your pot, and if it needs anything else, it's okay to put them in. Alright guys, I'm going to put some sweet pepper in the kidney. I should peel the Irish first, or the sweet potato. I'm sure it didn't take long to cook. I'm gonna peel the Irish first. So that's it, nicely cooked. So now it's time for me to steam my callaloo. So for my callaloo, I'll be using some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, just a little. Just a little. And I'm gonna put some butter in the callaloo as well. Some onions. I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm not gonna put too much seasoning because I want the callaloo to keep its natural taste. Just a little black pepper. I'm gonna put some all-purpose in it as well. Garlic powder. Some onion powder. I'm gonna put a little celery salt. Okay. And I'm gonna put thyme. Garlic as well. I love cooking with garlic, so yeah. Garlic. And I'm gonna put a scotch bonnet pepper. Alright guys, so let's check on our food. So the kidneys over there ready. Oh, callaloo is steaming. Alright, so everything is done cooking at this point. Oh, this sweet potato. I think it needs to cook a little bit more. I don't want to cook. Maybe it a little more, like 5 minutes. So I'm done cooking. I'm going to breakfast is ready and I'm going to serve my breakfast. Ginger tea. This is it, guys, my Sunday traditional breakfast with a hot cup of ginger tea. So I'm going to dig in right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to taste everything and be the judge. Banana is soft and cooked to perfection. Callaloo is not too soft, it's done to perfection as well. Taste everything. Kidney, perfect. I think it just needs a little more pepper, and my mother is here, so I cannot cook with too much pepper. Yum. Sweet potato, perfect. Everything is perfect. Today, let's need a little more pepper. And I think this will do. Alright, so that is it. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy my Sunday morning breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye. Peace out.